Bula vinaka, Fiji. I'm incredibly proud to announce that Fiji Airways has just been named an Apex World-Class Airline for 2026, one of 10 in the world. It is a proud and historic milestone for Fiji, for the national carrier to be represented on the global stage as an airline with the smallest aircraft fleet ever to earn this accolade. The Apex World Class Award is not given lightly. It is judged through a rigorous process, combining independent audits with passenger feedback from around the world. It recognizes excellence across safety, sustainability, well-being, service, and customer experience. To be ranked among the best in the world in these categories is a powerful validation of the standards we set and the service we deliver every day. For travelers, this award is proof that Fiji Airways offers the very best world-class service and safety, wrapped in the unmatched warmth and care of Fijian hospitality. We are especially proud to be the only airline in Oceania to receive this honor, surpassing some of the region's largest carriers. Our team has worked tirelessly to reach this milestone with refreshed food and beverage offerings, intensive training, and elevated service. We've taken the travel experience to new heights. This honor would not have been possible without the unwavering dedication of our entire team, from our cabin crew and pilots to our engineers, ground staff, and office teams. Every single person has played a crucial role in making this achievement a reality. Their passion, drive for excellence, and Fijian spirit have lifted us to this world-class level. And as we look ahead, Fiji Airways remains focused on constant innovation and elevating the travel experience. But for now, this accolade has the power to capture the attention of a global audience. It cements Fiji's place amongst the world's leaders in hospitality and excellence. We hope it inspires more travelers from around the world to discover Fiji and experience the warmth and spirit of its people that make its 333 islands so special. Today, we celebrate together our staff, our loyal guests, our media partners, stakeholders, and the entire nation of Fiji. Vinaka vakalevu, Fiji. The world is watching and we are soaring.